Buenos días, hoy es viernes, hoy es el 24 de abril. Muy bien, I'm so happy you're all here to join me today. Voy a repasar el plan de hoy. Número 1 es mi video, muy bien. Número 2, mira el video del libro Last Stop on Market Street. Last Stop on Market Street. It's one of my favorite children's books. They have it in inglés y en español. But for this, I want you to watch this video in inglés, but respond to pregunta número 1 y pregunta número 2 en español. Pregunta número 1. ¿Te gusta el libro Last Stop on Market Street y por qué? Pregunta número 2. ¿Cuál es el tema del libro Last Stop on Market Street? So, do you like the book and why? And what is the theme? The third activity for today is to complete the plot diagram that you're familiar with from Wednesday's work. You completed that plot diagram based on Un Día en el Parque, written by one of my former students. Now, I want you to complete a plot diagram that's basically an idea for your children's book. Next week, you're going to start writing the book. You'll have less extra work to do, and most of the focus of the rest of the quarter will be on your written work for your children's book. This is also attached as a homework assignment, so you can enter it in either activity. Y número 4, in addition to completing the discussion post and the plot diagram, I always want you spending 5 to 10 minutes on each of the following. Vocabulario número 8, gramática número 8, y Duolingo. Please do reach out. Remember, I have office hours los martes y jueves de las 10 hasta las 11. Also, you can email me, and I hope that this video finds everyone doing well, doing the best you can be, quarantined at home, and wishing you a great weekend. Get outside, enjoy the sunshine. Muy bien. Adiós.